What's up, you guys? Welcome back to StudyNest. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make Geometry Dash game in Scratch. So let's start. At the end of the video, you can check in the description. I'm going to be putting this link of this thing, and you can remix it and make it if you have any doubts and didn't understand. Okay, so first we're going to make a sprite. And it's gonna be our hero. Here I'm gonna say when flag clicked forever, if key space or W pressed. But I'm a WSD player, so yeah, I'm like more used to WASD than arrow keys. So yeah, you can also add arrow keys if you want, but I'm just gonna add W and key space. Then we want it to repeat 9 times. That it should turn 15 degrees and change Y by, okay, I'm just gonna say 10 degrees and change Y by 8. And then we're gonna duplicate that and make it -8. So see, press space. So whenever you press W or space, it's gonna go on there and it's gonna land again back. So I'm gonna say at the start, I want this guy to be here. Okay, nice. Let's make a backdrop. Next, we need spikes. So for the spikes, I have a really easy way to make it. So first make a perfect circle, then choose this reshape option, and then just click on this bottommost point and just delete it. Now click on every point and make it pointed. There you have a spike ready. It's like so easy to make this, and when I found this trick, I was like so happy. I'm gonna say when flag clicked, we will hide it, and we're gonna say forever create clone of myself. And then we're gonna say when I start as clone, we're gonna make it show. And at the start, we want it to go to at this position. Yep. Also, we'll say glide 1 second to the side. Oh, let's see how that is. Okay. Here's the problem. We are gonna ask it to wait for some time. I'm gonna make it wait 1.523. Just fun, no personal reasons. Okay, and then it's gonna get stuck there. We don't want that to happen. That's why I'm gonna say delete this clone. No. Okay, also whenever this guy's coming, we want a score. So I'm gonna say change score by 1. I've made a few costumes, so let's make and pick random from 1 to 3. Nice. Now see that. See, it's gonna pick random out of all the costumes, and then it's gonna change score. Now we have to get the if touching ping. So let's get it. So I'm gonna go right here, and just after this ends in the forever loop, we are gonna say, are you touching the spike? Then sorry, but stop all, your game has ended. Okay, nice. Now if you have noticed, I had told like hello thing like at the start. See, it's like what's your name? So we'll get that too. Just gonna remove that and say when flag click, we're gonna only get this one, this guy, and we are gonna say hello. Just say, what's your name? And he's gonna say something. And then after that, we're gonna make him broadcast game start. And when this game starts, when I receive message game start, I'm gonna get this all rolled. And this also when I get start. Now let's test it. Hello. What's your name? I'm just gonna say ABC for now. Okay. I did a mistake. So after it says what's your name, so it's gonna say hello ABC. So for that, I'm gonna say join apple banana, that thing. I'm gonna say hello, give a space. Don't forget to give a space and say answer. I'm gonna make the answer show. Smiley face. And there, it's working perfectly. That's how you make a Geometry Dash game without much of code. It's just for beginners. So yeah, guys, that was the video. If you a big thumbs up, don't forget to share and subscribe for more daily updates and many more Dash tutorials like this. Until next year, goodbye.